They are the backbone of e-commerce. They are the invisible hands behind your online orders. Order pickers, packers are the unsung heroes of the retail world. These individuals ensure that the products you order online arrive at your doorstep accurately and on time. It's a fast paced job that demands precision and efficiency. Think about the last time you received a package. Someone somewhere carefully picked and packed those items just for you. That's the power of an order picker each packer, connecting businesses to customers one package at a time. The role might seem simple at first glance, but don't be fooled. Order pickers, packers juggle multiple tasks, from reading order slips and locating products to ensuring order accuracy and packaging items securely. They are masters of organization and efficiency, navigating bustling warehouses with ease. Their work ensures customer satisfaction and drives the success of countless businesses. So, the next time you receive an online order, take a moment to appreciate the hard work of the order picker packer who made it happen. The day starts early for an order picker packer. Warehouses are buzzing with activity as soon as the doors open. The first order of business is to review the day's orders. Each order is like a puzzle, and the order picker packer must find all the pieces. Armed with scanners and order lists, they navigate the warehouse aisles, locating each item with precision. Once all the items are collected, the packing process begins. Order pickers packers are masters of Tetris, fitting items of all shapes and sizes into boxes. They take care to protect fragile items and ensure that everything is secure for shipping. Labeling is another crucial step, ensuring that each package reaches the right destination. The work is physically demanding, requiring standing, walking, and lifting for extended periods, but the satisfaction of completing a successful pick and pack makes it all worthwhile. What does it take to excel as an order picker packer? Attention to detail is paramount. Accuracy is key in this role, as even a small mistake can lead to customer dissatisfaction. Order pickers packers must be able to read and understand order details, ensuring that they pick the correct items and quantities. Physical stamina is also essential. The job involves a lot of walking, standing, and lifting. Order pickers packers must be comfortable working on their feet for extended periods and lifting heavy boxes. But it's not just about physical strength, it's about endurance and the ability to maintain focus throughout the day. Teamwork is another important aspect of the job. Order pickers packers often work in teams, collaborating to fulfill orders efficiently. Good communication and a positive attitude are crucial for a smooth and productive work environment. The warehouse is the order picker packer's domain. It's a fast paced, dynamic environment that's constantly evolving. Warehouses are often large and bustling with activity, with forklifts, conveyor belts, and workers moving in every direction. The atmosphere can be noisy, with the hum of machinery and the chatter of workers filling the air. Safety is paramount in a warehouse setting. Order pickers, packers are trained on proper lifting techniques and safety protocols to prevent injuries. They wear appropriate safety gear such as steel toed boots and high visibility vests to ensure their well being. Despite the fast paced nature of the work, there's a sense of camaraderie among warehouse workers. They work together towards a common, a common goal, sharing a sense of purpose and accomplishment in fulfilling customer orders. Starting as an order picker packer can be a stepping stone to a rewarding career in logistics. With experience and hard work, there are opportunities for advancement within the warehouse. Order pickers packers can move into supervisory roles, overseeing teams, and managing inventory. Some may choose to specialize in a particular area, such as shipping, receiving, or inventory control. The skills learned as an order picker, packer are transferable to other industries as well. The ability to work efficiently, pay attention to detail, and work well in a team are valuable assets in any field. Many former order pickers, packers have gone on to successful careers in retail management, logistics coordination, and even entrepreneurship. The key is to embrace the challenges, learn from experienced colleagues, and always strive for improvement.